Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the key differences between carbohydrates and proteins. Firstly, let's talk about structure. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, while proteins consist of amino acids. Secondly, their roles in the body differ. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy, whereas proteins play a major role in building and repairing tissues. Next, let's look at their solubility. Carbohydrates are generally water-soluble, whereas proteins can be soluble or insoluble depending on their composition. Moving on to digestion, carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars, like glucose, while proteins are broken down into individual amino acids. In terms of storage, carbohydrates are stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles, while proteins do not serve as a major energy storage source. Another difference lies in their calorie content. Carbohydrates provide 4 calories per gram, while proteins provide 4 calories per gram as well. Additionally, carbohydrates have a faster absorption rate in the body compared to proteins, which are digested and absorbed more slowly. Moreover, carbohydrates are found in a variety of foods like fruits, grains, and vegetables, while proteins are abundant in sources like meat, dairy, and legumes. Lastly, carbohydrates have dietary fiber, which is crucial for digestion, whereas proteins do not contain dietary fiber. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more informative content.